Hi guys, I'm Kiki and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup using this Tarte custom kit that I ordered. So basically what this is it's a kit of 7 full-size Tarte products and it's only $63, which is obviously really cheap. I mean, most Tarte things alone are like $30 each, so to get 7 full-size items for only $63 is like obviously a deal. First I'm going to start by showing you the products that I ordered. So I got the Clay Stick Foundation. It was kind of hard to choose the shades online because I don't really know what shade I am, but I think I did a pretty good job of matching. It's a little light, but I can make it work. So that's the foundation I got. It was set up so that basically you had to choose like one product under each category. So like a liner, like an eye product, like a mascara, a lip product, foundation, and like a powder. And then I got this Lights, Camera, Flashes Statement Mascara. I've never tried this before, but I don't know, the case is really cool, so we'll see how that is. I got the Sex Kitten Eyeliner, Rainforest of the Sea Twinkle Stick Highlighter, the Lip Bling, which is just like a highlighting lip paint. So then I got this little trio, it's called Hampton's Weekend, and it comes with a contour, blush, and a highlighting shade. I think it's a little dark for me. I don't think that this highlighter would work on my skin tone, but the other colors look really pretty, so I'll probably just try those ones out. It's just like this. It's really cute. The only thing I'm worried about is that the pan sizes are super small, so it might be hard to get your brush in them, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so it didn't come with a primer, so I'm going to start by taking my Hangover RX Too Faced primer. I know I like this because it's kind of just like a moisturizer. It's very light on the skin and just easy to apply. I also just wanted to add that I kind of found out about the sale later in the day when it was almost over, so most of the products that I got were kind of like the leftovers. They had a lot more options like earlier in the day, but as they sold out, I didn't really have a lot to choose from, so I kind of just went with whatever they had. So I'm going to start by taking the Clay Stick Foundation and just applying that to my face, obviously. Alright, so this is like way too light for my skin, but it's okay. And then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend it out. Alright, so far my thoughts on this, even though it's obviously too light for my skin tone, but it's really smooth and silky, and like putting it on the skin was really easy, and blending it out was also really easy. Alright, so I'm kind of just comparing the Tarte Clay Stick to the ColourPop Stick foundation, and so far I think this is definitely a lot better. It's really creamy and it blended in really easily. This one for me is just a little bit harder to blend in. I don't think it's as smooth of an application, but this one went on really nicely and it looks really good on the skin so far. Obviously I have a lot of steps to do, but so far it's looking pretty good. Alright, so next they didn't give me a concealer, so I'm just going to use my own. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm pretty sure that this is actually darker than the foundation, so that sucks. We're going to have to make it work. And then I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Alright, so next they didn't give me a powder or anything to set either, so I'm just going to use my normal powder. I'm just going to take my Fit Me powder and a flat top brush and just apply this to set the base. Also, I'm making sure not to get this part especially on my face covered in powder because I'm using the Twinkle Stick that I got. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Twinkle Stick that I got, and I think it'll probably be better to apply that to a sticky base rather than a powder base. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because I didn't supply any eyebrow products either, so just figured I'd get that out of the way. But they didn't give me an eyeshadow, but I'm kind of thinking I might use this as my eyeshadow. I think that might look kind of cute. Alright, so I just applied the color on the bottom, Farmer's Market, as like my transition shade. It's definitely a little bit darker than what I'm used to using, but I don't know, I think it looks pretty. So then I'm going to be going in with Beach Getaway, this color here on the top. I'm just going to apply that to my lid. So this is definitely a very like simple, pretty look, you know, nothing crazy. Alright, so then I just went and applied the middle color, Summer House. Yep, Summer House, into the outer corner just to add a little pink and make it look a little more colorful. But I think it looks pretty cute though. Alright, so next I'm going to start with the contour. And, oh man, I just used my little contour brush in the pink. So, alright, so I'm gonna start by taking Farmer's Market and just contouring my nose. Alright, so I just applied my nose contour, lip contour, whatever. And now I'm gonna try the hard part. Okay, now I'm gonna do the hard part, which is gonna be getting my big contouring brush into this little pan. But I'm gonna make it work. Okay. And I'm just applying that to the bottoms of the cheekbones. Okay, so far I definitely think that this palette is too dark for my skin tone, which sucks, but it was the only option they had when I was buying and creating my kit. So I'm just gonna do my best to make it work. I think that, I don't know if it's me or the color or both, but I feel like this is coming out really muddy on my skin, so I'm not loving the way it looks. Definitely not my go-to contour bronzer, but we're just gonna try our best here and make it work. Alright, so I'm done with the contour. Now I'm gonna go in with the twinkle stick and I'm gonna try this guy out. Oh, and also I know that I didn't finish my eyes, but I normally do my eyeshadow and then my face and then eyeliner and mascara and all that stuff. I don't know why, it's just what I do. Okay, so I'm not really sure this thing works. This looks really light, but it's probably gonna be really pretty. So I'm just gonna apply it to the tops of my cheekbones and then I'll just blend it out with my finger. Alright, so ignore the contour because this is honestly just a disaster, but this is actually really pretty. I don't know if you can see it on camera that well, but in the light it reflects really nicely and it kind of gives you like, just like a dewy, like wet kind of look. It's not like super sparkly, which I thought it was going to be, but I think it's really pretty. And then I'm just gonna put it on my finger and apply it to the tip of my nose. And under my eyebrow. And then also on my Cupid's bow. Alright. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush in this little palette. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, so what I've decided about this palette is that it's really cute and I like it. I don't think it should be a contour palette. I think the colors are way too saturated and when I put them on, they don't blend out that great. And it's just a little bit of a heavy look and it was kind of hard to even get it to look this subtle. Like when I put it on, it was just too much and like I just place it on and it kind of like stays in place and it's hard to blend out and like blend and look, you know, for that nice like face-tuned like flawless look. It's kind of hard to get that with this. So not loving it, but it's okay, we're making it work. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back to the eyes and I'm gonna try out the eyeliner. The little Sex Kitten eyeliner. This is just, oh, I didn't even know what this was. So this is just a pencil liner. I'm just gonna use this to line my eye, obviously. Alright, so I actually really like this eyeliner. So far it's my favorite thing out of all the things that I ordered from them. It went on really nice, really smooth. It wasn't hard to do at all. And I think it's really great, especially for people who aren't that good at eyeliner. Alright, so I just went ahead and curled my lashes and now I'm going to be trying the Lights Camera Flashes mascara that I got. I've really never even heard about this, so let's see how it goes. Alright, so I think that this is maybe one of the worst mascaras I've ever used, to be completely honest. The bristles are just extremely long. Sorry, I know my camera sucks and it's hard for you to see. But the bristles are really long and they're really hard. And if you're not careful, you kind of stab your eyes out a little bit and it really hurts. I'm going to try to add a second layer. Maybe it'll add something because like I have really long eyelashes, to be honest, and this is not doing a good job of showing that and it's not doing a good job of flaring them out at all. I feel like I didn't do anything to them at all. Alright, so adding a second coat kind of helped, but still I don't feel like it's doing that much for me, to be honest. But We just have to move on to the lips now. So I think I'm gonna put some sort of pink nude base, and then I'm gonna put this lip bling on top of that. Can't even get it out of the thing. Yeah, I don't know what this is gonna look like. It's extremely sparkly and pretty dark. I'm gonna be putting down the NYX Lingerie lipstick as a base. This is in the color, I have no idea. Oh, Lipley 03, I guess. Alright, so now that that dried, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip bling. This is in the color Park Ave Princess, by the way. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god. Okay, so this is definitely not an everyday look. It's extremely glittery and full coverage, but I didn't think it would be. I thought this was more of a gloss, but it's just like straight up glitter. I mean, like, it's pretty and it's cool for like a statement look. I don't think this is my color. I mean, I guess it's okay, but definitely not an everyday look kind of thing. This is more if you're dressing up for Halloween. That's what I would say this is for. But yeah, so that's all my products. I just realized they only sent me 6, but the advertisement said it was 7 full-size products, so I don't know if I lost something or if they just didn't send me something, but yeah, I only got 6, but I made it work. So yeah, definitely I think the eyeliner, the Sex Kitten eyeliner was definitely awesome. Mascara, won't be using it ever again probably. This is really cool, this lip bling. Not something I'd wear, but I do think it's a very cool little fun thing to add to your makeup. The contour palette, not my favorite. I kind of do like it for eyeshadow though, so I might be using it again for that. And I love the foundation. I think it looks super pretty. I just dropped everything, okay. And the twinkle stick is also pretty, definitely more for like a laid back look, nothing glam. But yeah, altogether I think that this is a really cool little thing that they do. Getting to build your custom kit is really cute. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.